Since the beginning of the new century, technology has significantly improved our reality. Today we live among things that were once just dreams. But what's next? What awaits us in 2050? Nanotechnology is advancing every year, and in the future, it could change everything as we know it. We may be able to insert nanobots into our brains to directly connect to the virtual world, making humans incredibly powerful beings with access to all information. 3D printing technology is already impressive, but by 2050, it will be far more accessible and advanced. We could print not only tools and houses, but also vehicles. With BCI brain-computer interface technologies, we may upload memories and consciousness into computer storage devices and transfer them into more advanced bodies, possibly even robots. This could open the path to immortality, while diseases like cancer will be curable. With the development of self-driving cars, we can expect a significant reduction in road fatalities. More time for rest or productivity during travels. The Hyperloop project could make transportation faster and more eco-friendly. In the future, transportation will rely on renewable energy sources, helping to reduce carbon emissions. Space research and colonization will continue. By 2050, space tourism will become a reality, though trips to other planets will be available only for the rich. However, the technology will continue to develop, and perhaps after many years, space travel will become accessible to more people. AI will be more developed and could surpass the human brain in computing abilities. This will lead to the disappearance of many professions. Many specialists may lose their jobs as AI will perform tasks faster and better. This will change the job market and impact education, which will become more digital. In the future, education will be almost entirely digital. Online learning will be accessible to everyone, and AI might become the primary educator. It will be easier to get an education from anywhere in the world, making it more accessible. The metaverse, a virtual reality where we can interact with others through avatars, will be fully developed by 2050, allowing not only for travel, but also for work and study while staying at home. It will be possible to visit different parts of the world without leaving your home. The use of physical money will almost disappear. All transactions will occur through virtual systems, and AI and decentralized financial technologies will change the way we trade and exchange money. Automation of many processes will simplify our lives. For example, refrigerators that order groceries on their own. Homes of the future will be fully automated. By 2050, smart homes will be able to perceive our emotions and respond to them. TVs controlled by thoughts and other technologies will make our lives easier and more convenient. Subscribe now, and let's explore the facts together.